Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Graham and today I'm going to show you around this 2017 Audi A3 TDI S-Line. Now this is the 1.6 fuel efficient diesel engine packed with brake horsepower and in wonderful condition. Car's finished in the Daytona Grey Metallic, which the paintwork is in great order as one could expect for such a low mileage of only 38,648 miles. Now the car's sitting on these 5-spoke propeller style alloy wheels, and they've been freshly powder coated by ourselves before the vehicle's gone on sale. They're 18-inch, so they're in as new condition and they're riding on really great tyres. Now this being a facelift car, we get the newer style headlamps, as you can see there, with the slightly larger headlamp, and then the front bumper has the more angled front grille on this particular model. The Daytona Grey Pearl Effect is a very nice colour option, roughly around about £650 as a factory option. The vehicle all round is in exceptional order and is a credit to the previous owner. The car's free from any trolley dents, marks, a couple of touch-ins that our detailers go round, but they're only pencil marks. What a beautiful car. Now the S-Line gets side skirts with, then on the rear end, the rear bumper gets the rear diffuser. Very nice size boot on these, ample for any family, or fits lots of nice stuff in there. We've got the cargo net as well, which is nice to see, and then underneath it says underneath there, good cargo nets these, aren't they? Underneath there we get the spare wheel space saver. Nice to get a spare wheel. BMWs and the likewise don't come with a spare wheel these days, so it's nice to have that. We're never stranded. We've got the reverse parking sensors on that back bumper as well. Taking a look again down the driver's side, that mirrors the passenger and he's free from any trolley dent. But a wonderful car. I drove this car home one night. Drives as good as it did new, and the level of internal specification is fantastic. So let's have a look inside now. I've got the 2 keys in my pocket, so we've got 2 keys. We've got a full set of Audi rubber tailored overmats. The internal is half leather and with the satin silver aluminium detail. Heated electric door mirrors, 4 electric windows. We get the S-Line embossed sills, and there's the rubber mats. Aluminium pedal set, but the driver's seat is in fantastic condition. No real wear, tear. All the interior is free from plugs, cigarette burns or anything like that, marks. And the interior is in superb order. So this new style Audi A3 gets the screen in the top of the dash, so as I climb into the car, just get the keys out my pocket. We'll start her up, and there you'll see the clocks come into life, and then we've got the screen pops out to the dashboard then. But the car itself is fully loaded, so we've got automatic headlamps there, we've got automatic wipers, we've got cruise control, this square bottom steering wheel that has got their multifunction device, so we can control the radio, and we've got SAT NAV up on the screen, everything like that, so we can change that head-up display sort of thing. And then we can click through all the way through, as you can see there, the clock, the time, the date, everything that you want can be changed. Voice control, volume is there. So as we come through to the centre console, then we've got digital climate control and air conditioning. I can vouch for the aircon being ice cold as it's blowing on me here now. We've got the satellite navigation system, we've got Bluetooth telephone, we've got the radio, which has then got DAB, and the media player. Media player then is situated in the glove box, and that then has a SIM card, that then has a CD and a smaller SIM as well. Popping up the armrest, we've got then the USB and the auxiliary in the armrest there. Automatic handbrake there, electric handbrake on and off, and we've got the 6-speed manual transmission. Looking around the car itself, it's in fantastic order. It really is been well cared for. All our cars in Alpha Motors' stock are all high class, well maintained, documented service history cars. But I don't smoke, and I can tell that the last person again wasn't a smoker. It's very fresh and still has that new smell scent. Looking in the rear of the vehicle, that is testament again. Mats are all in as new condition, no real marks on the transmission tunnel, but we've obviously shampooed all of the interior, but this was a very, very clean car to start with. All the leather seats again are in wonderful order, no real marks, scratches, anything on the aluminium when you get careless children, if you've got kids like mine. But a lovely, lovely example. There would be no reason why anybody would not buy this car. The paintwork is in superb order, the wheels are all as new, the interior is as good as new. Yes, it is a very, very nice car indeed. So, if you'd like to reserve this with us in Wigan, just give us a call. We'll take a £250 fully refundable deposit. So if it's not as we described it, or if it's not as I've told you, when you get to Wigan, obviously it's not for you, we'll just refund your deposit. So, if you've got a part exchange or you need finance, give us a call. I can give you a price over the phone. There's myself, there's Dom and there's Lee. We're the Alfred sales team. We'll be happy to help you in any way we can, give you any advice, talk you through the process of buying a car. We make car buying fun. Have a look at our reviews at Auto Trader, at Car Gurus, at Facebook. We've again won customer highly rated for Car Gurus and Auto Trader for 2022. Have a look at our Facebook. You'll see customers from all over the UK picking cars up just like you're thinking of doing now. So, thanks for watching our video and I look forward to your inquiry.